One of the characteristics of this model is that it's fully dynamic. And part of it being fully dynamic is the use of conditional statements that will allow the model to truncate the projection appropriately based on the hold period. And one of the things that we have in the model is this row 12 trigger called the apartment forward year trigger. And basically what we want to do here is we want this to report back to us either a 1 or a 0. And in formulas that are built in the cash flow below, those are all going to reference and multiply by whatever that amount is, 1 or 0. And if it's 0, it's going to force the value to become 0. And if it's 1, it's simply going to allow that value to pass through based on its calculation. And we'll set a condition here in row 12 such that we'll go to the point of sale plus 12. Right, so if the current month is less than or equal to the point of sale plus 12, you return a 1, otherwise return a 0. And so that's what we'll build in now in cell P as in Peter 12. And so we'll write this formula as follows, equals if P10 is less than or equal to the point of sale, which is in Golf 14 plus 12, then return a 1, otherwise return a 0. Hit enter, copy and paste this all the way out, and we can take a look out to see what happens in this case based on our current inputs on the exercise assumptions tab. It's going to return a 1 through month 72. So we have a 60-month hold, and we're allowing formulas in the operating projection to go 12 months past month 60, such that we can base the sale valuation on a forward NOI, which is going to be the next buyer's year 1 NOI.